While Omicron is clearly less dangerous than earlier variants, a nationwide spike in cases is closing some schools and has the CDC urging booster shots for kids as young as 12. Hospitals say the Omicron surge has been different because while more health workers are getting sick, leading to some staff shortages, most patients aren't as sick as those who came in during the last surge. Intensive care units aren't as full, and fewer ventilators are needed. But the rapid spread of Omicron has led Chicago public school leaders to cancel classes for the second straight day, after the teachers' union refused to return to the classroom, citing a lack of testing.
If you want to get us back into the schools quicker, provide testing.
We're trying to be practical for what makes the most sense for our district.
The U.S. Education Secretary is insisting that in-person learning is safe.
We have better tools now to keep our schools safe, including mitigation strategies that we know work. They worked before we had vaccines.
The CDC is now recommending not only vaccinations, but boosters for children and teens 12 and older, even though young people are considered at minimal risk from COVID. This comment was from a CDC panel discussion.
I think it will allow us to whack-a-mole for another month or two, but this is not sustainable and it's not smart to think that we have to continue to boost to prevent infection or mildly symptomatic infection.
More than a third of 12 to 17-year-olds have not gotten their first shot. Meanwhile, a new study suggests that two widely used at-home COVID tests, the Abbott Binax Now and Quidel QuickView, do not detect some Omicron infections. But Israeli officials are touting a new study that claims to show a 5-fold jump in antibodies with a fourth Pfizer booster shot, although some researchers said repeat doses of the same vaccine could dampen the body's immune response. Meanwhile, tennis star Novak Djokovic, who has not been vaccinated, was told to leave Australia today, following a 10-hour standoff with government officials who rejected his medical exemption, possibly ending his chance to defend his title at the Australian Open. Dale Hurd, CBN News.